Everyone's asking the same question in 2025. Will artificial intelligence replace human jobs? Especially when it comes to virtual assistant services. But the truth is, artificial intelligence won't replace virtual assistants. It will empower them. Here's why. Artificial intelligence is great at repetitive tasks like scheduling, reminders, but it lacks empathy, creativity, and critical thinking. That's where virtual assistants shine. Together, artificial intelligence and virtual assistants form the perfect partnership. Artificial intelligence speeds up work, while virtual assistants bring human connection, problem-solving, and strategic support. For entrepreneurs and startups, this means higher productivity, lower costs, and future-ready operations. At VA Talks, we embrace the future of work by combining artificial intelligence tools with real human expertise. Because success in 2025 isn't about choosing artificial intelligence or virtual assistants. It's about choosing both. Discover smarter, artificial intelligence-empowered virtual assistant services at VA Talks.